Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm really glad you found this video, because today I'm diving into something that could seriously change the way you think about making money online. I want to take you through my experience and what I've learned with what's being called the automatic cash machine journey. Now I know that name sounds a little too good to be true at first glance, but stick with me because there's a lot more behind it than hype. So here's how it started. Like most people, I was scrolling on my phone one night, kind of tired of hearing the same stories about working harder, grinding longer hours, or needing to master some complex skill just to start earning more. Then I came across this claim: turn your phone into a cash machine in just a few minutes a day. Naturally, I was skeptical. But what caught my attention was how simple the idea sounded. No building websites, no talking to customers, no running ads. Just a few taps on your phone each day and it starts generating income. I mean, who wouldn't be curious? So I decided to take a closer look. The system is called Automatic Cash Machine. And the more I explored it, the more I realized that it's built to be beginner-friendly. You don't need any special skills. If you can use a smartphone, you can get started. The setup is step-by-step and designed to help people get results fast. The creators behind it say most people start seeing their first earnings within a day or two, and I was actually surprised when I saw my first results start rolling in. It wasn't thousands of dollars overnight, but it was real money, coming in without me doing much beyond that initial setup. What makes this system different from a lot of other stuff out there is that it doesn't expect you to build a brand, launch a product, or constantly post on social media. You're given a special link, what they call a cash link, that tracks everything automatically. When people click through and take certain actions, you earn. It's like being the middle person in a smart system that's already working behind the scenes. All you need to do is plug in and keep it running. And yes, I know what you're thinking. Is this even legal? Is it safe? Is it a scam? Totally fair questions. First off, yes, it is completely legal. There's nothing shady going on. It's simply a way of tapping into an online income structure that's already proven to work. You're not investing in crypto, you're not gambling, and you're not selling anything weird. And to make it even more risk-free, they offer a full 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you try it and it's not for you, you get your money back. No weird forms, no hoops to jump through. One of the most inspiring parts of this journey has been hearing from other people who've used the same system. I came across stories from folks who started just like me, not knowing much, just hoping for a change. There's Ava, who hit almost $50,000 in a single day. Then there's Matt, who pulled in nearly $150,000 in just 60 days. And while those numbers might seem out of reach at first, what I learned is that they all started small, just like I did, just like you might. The beauty of the automatic cash machine is that it's scalable. Once you hit on something that works, you can repeat it or even run it across multiple devices or accounts. It doesn't require huge capital to start, and you don't need to spend a dime on advertising. It's actually one of the few systems I've seen that doesn't ask for more money once you're inside. You buy in once, and that's it. No upsells, no hidden charges, just lifetime access to the system, training, and support. And speaking of support, the team behind this system is surprisingly responsive. Whether you run into a technical hiccup or just need a bit of guidance, they're there to help. That's been a big part of why this has worked for me. I didn't feel like I was being thrown into the deep end and expected to swim. I had a structure, a plan, and help when I needed it. So if you're sitting there wondering if this could actually work for you, all I can say is this: if I can do it, you can too. You don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need to be super lucky. You just need a phone, an internet connection, and a little bit of time each day. It might not make you rich overnight, but it could be the start of something much bigger than you imagined. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If this sounds like something worth exploring, check out the link below and feel free to drop your questions in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. See you in the next video.